Welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. We're starting with Year 11 and Year 10 exams. They've been doing their GCSE exams over the last couple of weeks, and the attendance to exams has been fantastic. Student attitude in the exam has also been excellent, with students using their time to do the best they can. Keep up the great work, Year 11, as you go into the rest of your exams this summer, because that application of that attitude will take you a long way. We're back in the kitchen, where our kitchen staff have been cooking up some very tasty treats. We don't just sell the odd chip and potato in the canteen, we have a full range of international cuisines, and the students have been giving more ideas to the kitchen staff to convert our menu into even greater choices. We've had some fantastic menu selections that have been created by the students, and keep those coming in because I certainly enjoy eating them. We've had assemblies for students recently based around our core values of care and respect. We've talked to students about how one small act of unkindness doesn't just stay small, it often spreads and becomes a bigger issue. So we'd like parents to reinforce that message at home to students to be kind, caring and respectful at all times, particularly on social media, where sometimes we have issues in school. I mentioned it before and we'll be mentioning it again a lot, the importance of students getting to lessons on time. Everything that happens at the start of the lesson frames the lesson, and some of the most important information can be delivered at that time. We will be focusing on punctuality after half term, with a real push for students to get to lessons on time, so we'd like parents to reinforce that message with your child at home. Another fantastic opportunity is in the planning for students. We are looking at the possibility of running a water sports trip to the Costa Brava in the summer of 2027. If your child would love that opportunity, then stay tuned and look for further information coming out shortly. Next week our athletics teams are in action. They're off to the area athletics championships. Best of luck to the teams, and we know that you're going to represent the school with ambition, respect and care. That's it for this week's edition of This Week at AVS. We hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe on the channel, and I hope it's given you an insight into the amazing things going on at the incredible Avon Valley School.